Hey guys, it's your girl Shalicia coming at you with a new and final BoxyCharm unboxing. This box, which is my September Luxe box, will be my final BoxyCharm box. I decided to cut ties with BoxyCharm. Nothing wrong with it. I love the subscription. Sorry, my eyelash is bothering me. But because of COVID and my box is getting shipped to me later and later and later in the month, I figured it was time to cut ties. I had my box started back in like October 2017, I think. So it's been 3 years. So it's been a good 3 years. I might go back in the future. Don't mind the echo. I'm in my daughter's room, and it's not like as full as my room with stuff. So it's kind of echoey, but it is what it is. I didn't want to set up my ring light because it's kind of like to the side. And this is like really nice natural lighting. If you're curious about what's on my face, I honestly just have moisturizer and some Sephora Collection spot concealer because I'm always in a mask. So I'm not wearing a full face of makeup because my face is breaking out constantly. So I did some spot treatment. I threw some eyeshadow on, like a little bit, like one shade, and some lashes, and some lip gloss for this video. Oh, and I just got a fresh haircut, guys. It's super low this time, and honestly, every time somebody walks behind me, I think I'm gonna get cold because that breeze is ridiculous. But this is my September Luxe BoxyCharm, my last one. I honestly only canceled my subscription on the 28th of September because I was like debating if I wanted to do it, but I was like, it's time to let go because the last couple boxes haven't been really worthwhile for me. Someone's cutting their lawn, so hopefully I won't hear it. So for this month, well, September, it was glam vibes only. So let's see what I got. Oh, I got something from Fenty. Okay, so I've never received Fenty in any of my boxes before, so now I'm kind of having FOMO. And this is the Killawatt Freestyle Highlighter in the shade Penny for Thoughts. Penny for Thoughts. Ah. And I have like one other Killawatt highlighter, I believe. So this is what the package looked like. It retails for $36 US. All my prices will be in US. I do quite enjoy Fenty products. I legit just placed an order for the holiday gift set for the lip glosses, the glossy one. So this is what it looks like. This is pretty. Like, I could rock with this. Look, a pretty shade. So that was Penny for Your Thoughts. Ooh, I got a Queen Lies in Olive's Eloise palette. I've personally never heard of this palette, but it says it has 20 pigmented palettes with 4 textures. There's the mattes, shimmers, 1 pressed pearl, 4 metallics, and a dual chrome topper. The packaging is super pretty. Look at that queen. I like how she's like multicultural. And these are the colors right here. This is like a super bright palette. I don't know if I'd actually use it or not. We'll see, because I do like these colors. I do. Like, maybe I'll like start using the palette in a tutorial coming up. I don't know. I ain't trying to promise y'all nothing because I was super consistent during COVID. Then I went back to work and I stopped filming. I filmed a couple of nail videos. One will be coming up like today as I'm recording this. That eyeshadow palette was $46 US. Little packing. Then there is the 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. It looks like there's 5 in there. This retails for $135. I would not pay $135 for no face mask. But yeah, no, I probably wouldn't. But it is like a sheet mask like this, rose gold So I'll try that out. You know, I like skincare. I love sheet masks. I currently really enjoy the Sephora collection ones. Those are my jam. Next in here is the Pure Authority 12-piece brush set. Ooh, I like Pure brushes. I have a few. I like that it's pink. And it's like a travel case. Ooh, the bristles are pink too. So it comes with the 12 brushes right here. This retails for $49. So you have like a good amount of brushes to create a look with it. I'll definitely try those out in a future video coming up so you can know how I feel about them. Not that I'm wearing a lot of makeup, so we'll see how that goes. Sorry, my eye is itching. It's like fall allergy season right now, and I'm not a fan. And then this is the item that I had requested because I was able to pick two. And out of the options, I only ended up liking this one, and then I was like, surprised me for the other item. So it is the Gravity Weighted Sleep Mask. So I'm super excited about it. It's super heavy. I have the worst insomnia, so I figured this would help me sleep with some like maybe soothing background noise, because I don't sleep, y'all. Like I get 3 hours a night, and that's not healthy, so they say. But this retails for $40. It has a nice weight to it. Like, I like it. I want to try this out tonight or tomorrow night. We'll see. I'm excited for that. Next in the box is a Persona lip gloss in honey. That's what the packaging looks like. This retails for $16. It's a really pretty nude shade, like right up my alley. Lately I've been really into nudes, so that is definitely gonna go be put into rotation. It says it's infused with avocado oil and shea butter, and it's cruelty free, so that's nice. I got like 2 more items in here. This is the Avhava Deep Seed Water Mineral Hand Cream Sea Kissed. Looks like this. It retails for $36. It's a luxurious hand cream to keep your hands and cuticle moisturized and healthy. So that'll be great, especially going into winter. Like it's October right now, and it's like 22 degrees I heard for today, and it's like October 3rd, I think. And then the last thing in my box is the Pharmacy Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream. This bad boy right here. And this one retails for $45. And it looks like this. I really do enjoy the Pharmacy line. I've tried a few things from them in the past from BoxyCharm. You can find them at Sephora as well. But I'll give this one a try. Like I said, that one retails for $45. And it says it is a super hydrating vitamin C eye rich cream that brightens and helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles, and it gives you instant boost of radiance. Right now I'm using the Ulla Henriksen one that I got from my daughter from Mother's Day, and I really enjoy it. But once that one is done, because only a trial size, I'll definitely rock this out. But yes, this is my final BoxyCharm unboxing on my channel. I'm kind of sad. Maybe I'll ask someone to get it for me for Christmas as like a 6-month subscription or like a 12-year subscription, you know, because I'm already having FOMO just because I got Fenty. My last box got Fenty, so I'm very happy with this box. But yeah, this is this little unboxing. Subscribe to my channel if you're new. I'm Shalicia. Your girl is working on being consistent, and that means editing all my nail tutorials that I did during COVID, because I'm like practicing. Not that I have any nails on right now because I need to do my nails, but I think I'm gonna do them tonight after work. I don't know, we'll see how it goes, but I'll also film it as well. But and thank you to all my old subscribers. I really appreciate y'all sticking with me because you know your girl is inconsistent as hell, right? But yeah, Thanks for all my subscribers. I'll see y'all in another video soon. Bye, y'all.